Hey y'all, I figure I better do these vids tonight because the owner is going to get these machines in the morning and I thought I would have a little more time. Um, the Royal commercial, unfortunately, I can't demonstrate because it doesn't have a bag in it. The owner's got a new pack of bags, so he said don't worry about it, so that's there. But the Hoover High Performance Convertible, I do have a bag for, and it's been installed as well as a new belt. The Royal needed a belt and just a good cleaning. But the High Performance Hoover convertible actually used to be mine. I sold it to the owner probably about 5.5 years or so ago. My ex made me sell it in order for me to be able to buy the brand new Sanitaire, and I've regretted it ever since. And the now owner was complaining about a little bit of bearing noise he thought was from the motor, but was actually from the brush roll. So it got a good greasing and cleaning and um, everything, and it's doing real good. And I'm sad to see it go back tomorrow. I wish I could talk him out of it, but he really loves the machine and uses it mainly out in the garage. But it's his now, and I'm happy with the Sanitaire, I guess. So I'll do a demonstration real quick. It was made in 10 of 91 according to the serial number. Here it is, the high performance Hoover convertible. Let's see, it has 5 amps. I didn't even know that. So there you have it. Hoover convertible, Royal commercial upright. Hope everyone enjoyed. Stay tuned for another vid.